and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing him no ye. Teach you say call you no ye. He walk at him.
Good day, sir. I'm looking for a lady by name Estelle.
Estelle?
Yes, sir.
Do you know her surname?
No, all I know is Estelle, sir.
I'm sorry, we don't have that name and she asked him to her.
Sir, please just check again, just to be sure.
Sorry, we don't have that name you asked him to her.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes. Come in.
Oh no!
And what is wrong with you?
I should rather ask you that question. You are eating my food and asking me again what is wrong with me.
You mean this food when I can tell soup? You must be joking.
And why didn't you tell him the food belongs to me?
I did, but he claims it was brought to him by his dear, humble wife.
Yes. My old wife Moko prepares the food with the housekeeping money I've been giving her. She brings it in a nice basket, carefully covered with a neat napkin. Then you come and stand there telling me the food belongs to you. Good afternoon, sir. Let me ask you 3 questions. Number 1, are you married? Number 2, do you have a wife? Yes. And number 3, is this place your kitchen to come and put your food? You phone, son.
And I can imagine the expressions on his face, eh? First you'll be all scared, thinking a wife would have been there, and then you'll be angry when you realize this is all a prank, you know?
You really scared the man, you know? You really scared him.
Watch this. So if I were you, I'll quickly go and stop her before she comes and creates a nasty scene. You know what she can do? A word to the wise is enough. Ayengo, I like you. Then no, you say.
But you see Percy too? Hey, he was acting as if he didn't want to go and see the babe.
You know?
Check the time. He's still not back.
I'm sure he has probably taken her out somewhere. Maybe to the restaurant or the ice cream joint. You know how Percy is with women. Smooth. You know.
But Charlie, the girl she fine oh. So yeah! Oh my!
Charlie, there's still one thing I don't understand.
Say what? What?
The lady.
What about her? Don't tell me you want to make a move on her also.
Yeah!
Kwame no. Obeyo. Obeyo. Hey.
The way she warmed up so easily to Percy, then Ozzy, all in about 15 minutes. I mean, Percy we all know has a way with a woman. But to go to the extent of having a drink with Ayango, immediately after the encounter with Percy, it's a bit worrisome.
It be true. It be true. I mean,
So what do they say? That the girl no be genuine.
Hello. I mean, guys, wake up. This is the 21st century, not the 18th. I mean, for all you know, she's the fun-loving kind of girl. She loves free flow of things, you know? And besides, when they're having a drink with a guy, become immoral. I mean, big deal for me.
I think Kwame has a point.
Yeah.
Oh. Going out with Ayango, who hitherto has managed to woo pineapple and orange sellers,
You know?
surely raises eyebrows.
You see, I was at Taikan drinking when I was told my wife has come for a visit. So I came and I found the food.
Who told you your wife has come to visit?
The boys, Shaka to be specific.
And how could you, an old man like you, believe those rascals?
So, you found the food in this basket?
Yes, of course.
But I'm sorry the food is not yours. But you left it here because he was in a hurry.
You mean this food in this same basket?
Mr. Ayango, did you see your so-called wife when she came to visit?
No.
I think your wife has not come to visit. I'm sure those guys might have played a prank on you. You surprised me. I thought you were mature enough to see through those good-for-nothing guys. What if the food was poisoned?
No. No. The food was delicious. There's no poison in it. So what do we do?
What do we do? The harm has already been done. But let me advise you here. Next time, you should be more circumspective before you go eating people's food.
You see, it's not my fault. If I knew it was yours, I wouldn't have eaten it. And you, Kojo, you made a mistake by leaving the food in this room.
Oh, is that an apology? If I were you, I would rather be sorry and apologetic rather than shifting blame.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know it was yours. I'm sorry. Please.
Yes, I guess the matter is settled.
I'll be leaving. But make sure you return their bowls. And after you have cleaned them, before you go eating people's food. By penny to.
Come on! Where? Wait the alliance on those boys. Come on!
Do not vibrate for your...
Hey, there comes the man. You the man.
all hail the lover boy.
Ah.
But why? You flex us or what?
Hey, Massa. The girl is showing you or something.
Charlie, like the girl in fingers long small.
What are you saying, bro?
She stole my wallet. What? I knew there was something fishy about her. I knew it.
Do you mind expatiating on what happened?
Oh, we had just bought drinks and I remember I paid the bartender. Then I got a call, another baby. So I just sneaked out to just receive the call. When I came back, she was gone. My wallet was not there.
Now, let's get this straight. Where did you put your wallet after you paid the bartender?
On the table.
Are you sure you didn't leave the wallet where you received the call?
When I searched everywhere. Then I asked the bartender whether she had seen her and said, well, when I got out to receive the call, she just sneaked out.
What are the contents of your wallet?
2 million, I think. A few pounds. My ATM card. And my ID cards.
And some condoms.
I knew she was not genuine. I knew it.
I don't think we should jump to conclusions. You know, for me, until the girl is proven guilty, she's innocent, really.
Have you tried tracking her down?
You know, earlier on she said she was at Yasantua Hall. So I dashed to the Porter's Lodge. The Porters don't have any records of her. I mean, she doesn't exist.
We must hunt for her. We must hunt for her.
So, what are we waiting for? Let's move before it's too late.
You guys, I dare your back and pick something.
Okay.
Look, no chair.
It's not a-
I'm Mike.
I'm Esther.
What a pretty name for a pretty lady. Can I offer you anything?
I'm okay.
Alright. So what do you do?
You think you can play silly games with me?
What did you do?
You don't want your silly games as cost me.
Down.
Cool down. Calm down. Look, you should be thanking Shakarada. He saved you from a lot of troubles, you know.
What do you mean?
That Estelle girl you are so much engaged. It's a 419 girl. She stole my wallet and money.
What did you say? Huh? But shake, do you know that you're lying to me has caused me a lot of problems?
What to go do? What to go feed?
What I go do?
Oh! Left arm.
Where the guy made
In a fight me.
I'm not fighting.
Ozzy.
Ozzy! And you too.
Why? But I don't feel you fancy.
You guys,
Ozzy!
Jesus goes away.
Shall we?
Sun City, the light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly.